How to create a page border like this in MS Word? I'll show you in a step-by-step way. But before that, I'm Ramgopal from presentationprocess.com, the creator of Complete Word Foundation course. The link to the product is in the description box below the video. Open your Word document, go to the Design tab. Here you will find page borders in page background group. Click on it. You will get this floating dialog box. Go to page border, choose box and choose the style you want. You can have a single line, a dotted line or any type of lines here. If you want it thicker, you can go for a double line like this and then you say OK and instantly you will be able to have this page border. Now if you want to increase the thickness of this page border even more, go once again to page border and here you have the option to increase the width of the border. Go here and increase it to say around 1.5 points and say OK. Now you have a much thicker border. You can even add an artwork for border. Go to page borders again. This time go to art and you can choose any kind of art that is available here. Let us say I want to choose this star design. I can say OK. Now instantly my page will have this star design. You also have the option to apply page border to the whole document or just for the section you selected or for just the first page only or all the pages except the first page. You have full control over how your border appears. In the meantime, if you want to learn all the essentials of MS Word in under 30 minutes and impress your bosses and colleagues, then we have just the right video for you right here. Just click on the link, watch the video and pick up some impressive Word tips that you can use in creating your next document. Even experienced users of MS Word are finding this tutorial quite helpful. So go ahead, click, watch and learn MS Word right now.